Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best electric chainsaws of 2025. If you're looking to leave gas engines behind, boost your cutting power, and keep things cleaner, quieter, and simpler, you're in the right place. We'll be breaking down the must-have features, performance highlights, and what to look out for before you buy. Plus, I'll leave direct product links in the description below so you can jump straight to the one that fits your job and budget. So grab your safety gear because we're about to get chopping. 5. Makita MT-006 MAX. Looking for a powerful yet portable tool for your woodworking projects? Check out the Makita 18-volt cordless chainsaw, a compact 6-inch handheld electric mini chainsaw that makes cutting, pruning, and logging easier than ever. With its high-torque motor, rechargeable 18-volt battery, and lightweight ergonomic design, this mini chainsaw delivers impressive performance for both DIYers and professionals. Whether you're trimming branches, cutting firewood, or working on detailed woodworking projects, the Makita cordless chainsaw ensures smooth, efficient, and safe operation. Perfect for those who need power and convenience in one tool. Makita Chainsaw Woodworking Tools Mini Chainsaw Cordless Power Tools. 4. Gisam 8-inch. Introducing the Gisam 8-inch brushless electric chainsaw, a powerful, cordless cutting tool designed for effortless woodwork and garden maintenance. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, this compact saw delivers smooth, efficient, and long-lasting cutting power. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, giving you the flexibility to use your existing power tools. Batteries. The ergonomic handheld design ensures comfortable grip and precise control, making it ideal for tree trimming, wood cutting, and home logging tasks. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional gardener, the Gisam 8-inch cordless chainsaw provides maximum portability, performance, and convenience for all your outdoor projects. Number 3. Electric Goddess DDJ-06. Looking for a powerful and portable cutting solution? The 1200-watt, 12-inch brushless electric chainsaw is the perfect cordless tool for your garden and woodworking projects. Designed to be compatible with dewalt 20-volt batteries, this chainsaw delivers smooth, efficient cutting power without the hassle of cords or fuel. Its high-torque brushless motor ensures longer runtime, less maintenance, and superior durability. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle for pruning trees, cutting firewood, or DIY carpentry work. With its sharp 12-inch chain and safety lock system, you get both precision and protection in one compact machine. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, this battery-powered chainsaw is a must-have for clean, fast, and effortless cutting anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Seesii 40 volts. Meet the Seesii 40 volt 16th cordless chainsaw, a powerful brushless electric chainsaw designed for effortless cutting and superior performance. Perfect for woodworking, garden maintenance, and firewood cutting, this handheld tool delivers impressive torque and long-lasting battery life. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, using 2 for 40-volt power, it offers flexibility and convenience for users who already own Makita tools. With its lightweight build, ergonomic handle, and efficient brushless motor, the Seesii chainsaw ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. Whether you're pruning trees or tackling heavy-duty logs, this tool makes every job faster and easier. 1. ONEVAN 3500-watt. Introducing the ONEVAN 3500-watt brushless telescoping pole electric chainsaw. This powerful 3-in-1 garden pruning tool makes trimming, cutting, and shaping trees easier than ever. With its high-performance 3500-watt brushless motor, you'll enjoy strong, efficient cutting power while keeping noise and vibration to a minimum. The telescoping pole design lets you easily reach high branches without ladders, and the quick-swap 18-volt ONEVAN battery system ensures seamless compatibility with your other ONEVAN tools. Whether you're pruning your garden, trimming trees, or cutting thick branches, this all-in-one tool delivers precision, convenience, and power right at your fingertips. Perfect for both professionals and home gardeners. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric chainsaws for 2025. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a professional, there's something here for everyone. If you want to check out any of these chainsaws for yourself, I've included all the product links down in the description. Just click and see which one fits your needs best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Stay safe, stay powered, and I'll see you in the next video.